Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel. As you guys know by now, it is a free way and a very good way to support the channel, right? And as always, we do appreciate the support from the subscribers and the viewers. All right, so guys, some very exciting news surrounding Ravel Morrison. Initially when I had heard that Ravel was training with Derby County, initially I just said, you know what, it's just a friend trying to help out a friend. I don't think anything serious will come of it. Just a friend trying to, put his friend back on the map in the English footballing circle, so to speak. Just to get people to remember about the player, right? But guys, there's a buzz surrounding Ravel Morrison at Derby County. There is a buzz surrounding Ravel Morrison at Derby County. You guys know that Ravel Morrison played Manchester United earlier today in a friendly, right? He started, played 60 minutes, right? Derby County made a lot of changes at the 60-minute mark. Basically, almost changed out the entire squad. I guess they want to give everybody a run out, right? But guys, Ravel Morrison, he looked okay. He looked okay to say the least, right? I mean, things right now are looking very positive for Ravel Morrison. The fans are calling for him. The coach is saying he's very impressed with him, right? I mean, the fans are begging Wayne Rooney to sign him, right? Before we get into the game, I'm going to get into the game as well, right? I'm going to get into the game. But look at this. Look at this article. Right, look at this article in the Metro.uk, Metro Co UK. Wayne Rooney revealed he has been blown away by Ravel Morrison's performances in training for Derby County, right? Following the decision to hand his former Manchester United teammate a trial at Pride Park. The man said he has been blown away by Ravel Morrison's performances. The 28-year-old the 28-year-old's nomadic career has taken in spells at the likes of Ostersund and other Den Haag in recent years, but he has never come close to fulfilling the abundant potential that marked him out as a potential superstar during his time at Old Trafford. Rooney is the latest manager to hand Morrison the opportunity to salvage his career, with the talented midfielder afforded a start at Pride Park on Sunday, with Derby playing host to his old club. Right, and you see a picture there with Ravel Morrison and his good friend Jesse Lingard catching up. The Rams are currently unable to sign players with a transfer embargo in place, but Rooney is hopeful of a swift resolution that would allow him to secure the services of Morrison on a longer term basis. So you hear that, guys? Derby County have a transfer embargo, right? And that is a major plus, right? That is a major factor that will determine, or will help to get Ravel Morrison a contract with Derby County, man. So that's a big deal, because they wouldn't be able to buy players from my understanding of it, but a free transfer like Ravel Morrison is obviously an option, right? And it seems to be a well needed option as well in the midfield. Speaking of Speaking ahead of kickoff, Rooney told Manchester United TV he has been with us the last week, Ravel, and it's the same. Some of the things he's doing is incredible, so that's on me to manage him right. There are 6 players in who at the moment I can't sign, so the quicker there are 6 players in who at the moment I can't sign, so the quicker I'm able to do that, the better it would make my job. Made the better it would made my job easier. Okay, Morrison is also well known to current United manager Solskjaer, who revealed he hasn't seen the talented midfielder since he was playing his trade in Sweden. I knew Rav. Solskjaer saying I knew Rav in the reserves, and what a talent, top player. It would be great to see him. Last time I saw him play for Östersund when I was at Mold. So he's had a career of ups and downs, but he's always had the talent, right? And even at the start of the game, guys, even at the start of the game, the commentators were raving about how good Ravel Morrison was when he was at Manchester United's academy. Right? I want to bring up another screen. I'm going to take this one down and I'm going to bring up another screen because the fans are calling for Ravel Morrison, guys. The fans are calling for Ravel Morrison. Right? This article is saying, one fan is saying, I've seen enough. They need to sign him. Right? Let me check if you guys are seeing it on screen. Cool. Yes, you guys are seeing it on screen. Right? 1 second, guys. Wait, where's that? Where's that? Sorry, 1 second. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. I'm just trying to find the article. Okay, I found it now. I found it. So, guys, this fan is saying, I've seen enough. I've seen enough. Please, please. Many Derby fans are calling for Wayne Rooney to take action with the player following Manchester United match. Derby County were in pre-season action this afternoon against an English giant in the form of Manchester United, with Wayne Rooney getting the chance to manage against his former club for the first time ever. It wasn't a usual United team, with a majority of their players coming back from international duty, but the likes of Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Mason Greenwood, Juan Mata, Jesse Lingard were all on the pitch for the Red Devils against Derby County, which looked very depleted. Against a Derby team, rather, which looked very depleted. What's his name again also started? The man, well, he didn't start, I think. He came on. Nemanja Matic was on the pitch as well. The Rams lost the likes of Martin Waghorn and Jack Marriott this summer and operating under a transfer embargo. County have had to take a number of trialists on to fill their squad out ahead of their friendlies. One of those is mercurial talent that is Ravel Morrison, once a Manchester United player who had the world at his feet, but he has had a number of clubs since departing Old Trafford without doing much. Rooney is hoping to bring whatever remaining talent out of Morrison that he has left, and he was given 60 minutes against the former side today, and Derby's fans seem impressed with what they saw. There are calls to offer the 28-year-old a contract on the back of his first run out in the white shirt of the Rams. Take a look at their reactions. Guys, when the fans are calling for something, it usually happens, you see how the fans call for the Super League to be done away with, and the owners all of you come on TV and shed tears and I apologize to the fans. Look at this particular message. I've seen enough. I'm having Ravel Morrison all day long, wants the ball and instinctively looks forward. Right, and as I said, Ravel had a good game, man. I'm telling you, now get a full preseason under Ravel Morrison and an arm around him and watch him flourish. Right? Another fan said Ravel Morrison is looking good. Right? Ravel Morrison, the standout trialist for me, his vision to find a pass. Unreal, yes, he did have some good passes in the game. Two off the top of my head. Right? Very good through passes. Right? Others been steady and had good moments, but Ravel, the one thing that is exciting me, working hard off the ball, hopefully a sign of what is to come. Guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about Ravel Morrison's performance, but honestly, I've seen better performances from Ravel Morrison. It was a good performance from Ravel, but I've seen better, and look how Derby County fans are going crazy over this Ravel Morrison, right? And I've seen better performances from the man, right? The Aluka Giza looks decent. I don't know what Aluka Giza means. Oh, Aluka, the player, yeah. There is a player in Derby County as well, Aluka. Ravel has a good eye for a pass. Them two impressing me so far. From the sounds of things, Ravel is worth a punt. Could provide with Derby County with creativity. We have been seriously lacking, right? Ravel, please sign hashtag Derby County fans. Ravel could be a great bit of business. Good to see the Rams fans appreciating Morris after the first 45 minutes. Right? So, guys, that's just some of the reactions, of the fans of Ravel Morrison and his good performance today. Right? As I said, it was a good performance from Ravel, man, but honestly, I have seen better. Right? I have seen better from Ravel Morrison. Right? So it was a good performance, yes, but trust me, man, when I say I've seen better, I've seen better. So just imagine what Ravel could do, right? When he hits, when he gets going for Derby County. So guys, for starters, great run out from Ravel Morrison today for Derby County, right? The commentators from the beginning of the match, there seemed to have been a lot of attention, and rightly so, on Ravel Morrison in this particular game, right? And that's understandable. A lot of people wanted to see what the player would do, right? So the commentators were raving about his talent, right, and what they saw at Manchester United, and that he was the best player in the Manchester United academy they had ever seen. Right, Ravel in this game was playing mostly as a number 10. He did interchange a bit out to go out on the left as well, and he also, as expected, did come deep a lot for the football to try and help Derby County progress the play up the park, right? Ravel Morrison was constantly finding space in the game, and constantly finding space in the game, right? Constantly, right? Looking to find space in the game, looking for a pass. He was good on the half turn as well. Good on the half turn as well, guys. He was good on the half turn as well. One of the things I liked about Ravel Morrison as well is that he was calling the shots in the middle of the park, not only with his play in terms of dictating the play or dictating Derby County's play, right? But one of the things I liked about Ravel's performance today, right, was that he was shouting instructions as well to his Derby County players in terms of go here, go there, just giving instructions and calling the shot, so to speak, in the middle of the park, right? So that was very good. That was very good from Ravel Morrison, right? That was a positive. Good to see that the player had that level of confidence to be able to do that in this particular game, right? So yeah, as I said, he was interchanging a bit, right, in the midfield. For instance, he found himself out on the left sometimes. He was playing mostly as a number 10 though in this game. For the most part, he kept it simple but effective, control and pass, constantly moving to try and find space to be an out ball, right, or to receive he was trying to do a lot of 1-2s as well, right, with players around him, right? Constantly finding space to try and be a passing option, right? Good ball usage in this game as well. The highlight of his performance for me was at about 30 minutes into the game, if memory serves me right. He initially tried to play a 1-2 with a teammate, right? But a Manchester United teammate blocked off the return ball, or blocked off Ravel Morrison's return ball, and then, one possession of the ball back for Manchester United. But Ravel Morrison, you know, pressed him, challenged him, won the ball back, right? Turned, lifted his head up, saw a through pass, saw the run of the forward player, the Derby County forward player, made a very good through pass, right? Made a very well weighted through ball, but unfortunately, the keeper read it well and came off his line and got there first before the forward player. But good vision from Ravel Morrison and good precision as well from Ravel Morrison. It was a very good pass, but unfortunately for him, very good through ball, right? Defense splitting through ball, but unfortunately for him, the keeper read it well, right? Another clever, he had two key passes in this game, right? Another clever through ball, right? To send Derby County going in transition. Unfortunately, that particular play didn't work out for them either, but it was a very good through ball as well on that particular play from Ravel Morrison, right? One thing I liked about Ravel Morrison, it was just well, he always seems to be very calm on the ball. He just brings a calmness, right, to the play. He's very calm on the ball, knows when to speed it up, but knows when to just, be calm on the football and, not rush. He wasn't rushing things today. And I like that about Ravel Morrison, right? I like that about Ravel Morrison. And that particular calmness, of course, brings a stability to the midfield. And you could see that it brought a certain level of stability to the Derby County midfield today, right? I don't think that I think Derby County would have looked a lot worse today without Ravel Morrison in the team. Right, so as I said, guys, things looking very positive for Ravel Morrison. A decent game from Ravel, well, a good game in my estimation from Ravel Morrison. Right, things looking very positive. The manager is saying he's liking the players' training. The fans are saying they're liking what they see and they want Wayne Rooney to sign the player ASAP. So that's a good sign. Let's see if Ravel Morrison can indeed land this contract. So, guys, that's my 2 cents on Ravel Morrison's performance today. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.